Tell you what, this burn is so beneficial multifold. Number one, you can see whatever animal or trespasser comes on my property. There's no brush to hide from. Second thing is, I'm able to identify where all the rocks are. We'll come in with a rock picker and mechanically pick these up, scoop them up, dump them. And no, I'm not hiring Puerto Rican women in high heels to pick up the rocks. It's just not economically feasible to have them do that at this time. There's other things that they can be doing. But yeah, this is nice. Whoa! This is the only way to get spider mites out of the cedar tree. Notice how that black smoke's permeating throughout all of the branches? It's the only way. And that tree, that'll be perfectly fine. What we're doing is we're curing it. It's a spring cure. That tree will thrive in about 3-4 months. Perfectly fine. There we go. Nice, relaxing fire in the woods. That's nice. Now I can finally relax a little bit. Get some peace of mind. That's nice. That is looking fantastic. This is what you call a quadrant burn. Basically, you're burning 1/4 of the pasture at different times. That way the grass grows at different lengths, gets nutrients at a different date, and it's just the way the experts do it, the way I've been raised for as long as I've been raising steer. This is just the way you do it. That's wild. A lot of people don't know that. I keep telling these people, this is what you got to do. They don't listen. That's wild. Whoa. A lot of people starting to call me the fire boss. No doubt about it, man. That looks fantastic. Look at that devastation. Really good carbonization. Our leaves are non-existent. They were carbonized. They're back into the soil at this point. That's nice. Whoa! Check this out. Arkansas kiwi tree. See, you can see if you look close, you can see the seeds. And what happens is in the winter, those fall out and then the new trees start. But you don't see these too often. Arkansas kiwi trees, wild. Whoa. This is what you call in Arkansas creeper fire. Just slowly goes up the hill. That's looking good. Look at that. Look at that devastation. It's awesome. Check this out. This habitat destruction is going better than I thought. I'll be done in 4 hours. Dang. Strictly enforced. This is private property. No loitering, no rollerblading, no skateboarding. That's just the way we go. Now let's just say I was cattle rustling this. I got my dog with me and I got my UTV. I'm gonna go with the UTV and use the dog as the auxiliary. So watch how I do this. First, you give the audibles. Then the chase is on. See? We got them rustling. We'll get those right into the trailer. We'll be in and out of this pasture in 2 minutes. Look at that. Look at how they go. Look at that. That's good exercise on those Wagyu. Let's go, let's go. We got them on the run. Exactly how we wanted it. 2026 is going to be a very bad year for mouse lemurs. I will show no mercy on them this year. This is outrageous. Look at that. I'll take things that Johnny Gobble will never buy for 100 there, Alex.
Well, look, it's a new student. Look at Elvis. Get a baby. It's a baby.
All I know is I didn't do this. I didn't cause that fire. That's all I know. Oh.